Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use a SigmaMind AI API to trigger a phone call on any third-party app like Make.com. First, let's generate an API key in SigmaMind AI. Go to Settings from your home dashboard. Click on this API keys. Click on Create API key and just name this key and click on this Create button. So once your API key is generated, just copy this API key and store it somewhere safely because once you close this window, this API key will not be visible for anyone. Now let's move to make.com. So here you can see I have already created a scenario with a Google Sheet that contain basic information like for name, email and phone number. So whenever a new row is added to this sheet, this scenario get triggered and automatically initiate a phone call. So to trigger a phone call, I am using this HTTP make a request module. So inside the HTTP module, I have selected no authentication in auth type because we don't need any basic auth or API key here. Next, I have passed this endpoint URL for making phone call. So this endpoint URL you can get from SigmaMind AI doc. So here you can see for creating a phone call, you have to pass this endpoint URL. In header, you have to pass the content type and the value is application JSON, API key, and here you have to pass the API key that we have generated here. And in body, we have to pass the phone from phone number to phone number and the agent ID that we want to trigger for this scenario. So this agent ID you can get from SigmaMind AI platform only. So you can see here I have created this and from here you can get the agent ID. You just have to copy that agent ID here. Now let's use all this information in make.com to trigger a phone call. In method, we have to pass the post method because we are making a phone call here. In header, same I have passed the content type, value application JSON, API key, and the value we have generated on the SigmaMind AI platform. In body, you can see I have selected this application JSON. In body input method, I have passed this JSON string. And in body, I have passed the from phone number to phone number and the agent ID. Once everything is set here, let's click on this save button. And once I run this scenario, I should get call from SigmaMind AI number. You can see I am getting a call from the SigmaMind AI number. Hello.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
As you can see, I immediately receive a phone call from the SigmaMind AI number, and when I answer the call, the AI agent starts speaking, which confirm that the agent has been successfully triggered. And that's it. This is how you can use the SigmaMind AI API to trigger a phone call and AI agent from any third-party application. Thank you.